Welcome to Madrid Puerta de Atocha railway station. It's the largest and first ever railway station built in Madrid. It was inaugurated 9 February 1851.
Good morning, guys.
Here we are again.
Yep, our time in Madrid is up. We're heading to Barcelona.
Taking the speed limousine, right?
Yep, the speed train. Take the speed train all the way to Barcelona. It's supposed to be like a 2.5-hour train ride.
Yeah, 12
See, there's a train behind us. Yep. So, come with us, guys.
Remember, folks, if you're planning to visit Zaragoza, Girona, or Malaga, or any other cities, you can still come to Madrid Atocha railway station to get your train. Prices for the train varies depending on the time of the day and the day of the week. You are allowed a backpack and one large suitcase. Since it's COVID times, remember you must wear a mask. There is no social distancing on the train, so you will have to share your seat with a stranger. Most of the seats in the train are 2 on one side and 2 on the next side. But where we sat, it was 2 and 2 with a table in front. So that means you face other passengers. If you are a business traveler, you might like these seats because you could do some work on the table. We sit on the train now. We're like 15 minutes early, and we'll be leaving at 8 o'clock. Right now it's 7:45 Madrid time. So, you guys stay with us. Look at the view from outside. Yep. As you can see, I was sitting right in front of Rosie. Alright guys, it's time to check out the bathroom. You know that's very important, right? This is what the bathroom looks like inside the train. Nothing extraordinary, but impressive. Honestly, I was expecting a much smaller bathroom, but I was impressed. It kind of looks like a large airplane bathroom. The bathroom was nice and clean, smelling good, had a lot of paper towel and toilet paper. Now that I have showed you guys the bathroom, it's time to go sit and enjoy the rest of my train ride. I got up from my seat because I didn't want to keep talking over there, but you can see they have a glass door that keeps the noise out. That way, passengers do not hear the noise the train makes, because remember, this is a speed train.
Ladies and gentlemen, next station, Barcelona Sands. End of our trip. Thank you for travelling with Renfe. We look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Please remain seated until the train has stopped, and do not forget your personal belongings. On leaving the train, please take special care with the gap between the train and platform on arrival to the station. Thank you.
Welcome to Barcelona, guys. We really had a good time on the train. It was clean, it was comfortable, and it was convenient. The train brings you to Barcelona Sands railway station, which is the largest transportation hub in Barcelona. This station was built in the 1970s, but it was remodeled to accommodate the high-speed trains, which began operation in 2002.
Still kind of chilly, right?
Yeah.
But it still feels better than this place.
Yeah, this was colder.
Huh?
This is colder. Let me see the river.